Good morning, Cafe Amante Restaurant. This is JP. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Okay, who I am speaking to?
Kimchi Adige.
May I know your contact number, ma'am?
Yes. 0921-786-7459.
Miss Adige, should I make a reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For two?
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation, ma'am?
Yes.
You have a table reservation at 6 p.m. today for 2 person only in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Kimchi Adige, with the contact number of 0945-9967148. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to ask, ma'am?
None.
Miss Kimchi Adige, thank you for choosing Cafe Amante Restaurant. We look forward to welcome you.
Thanks.